Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home to the cool hills of Manchester in the quiet community of Melrose Meadows, just 15 minutes out of Mandeville. Here you will find for this charming 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, split-level home with spectacular mountain view. The land area of this house is approximately 3,393 square feet. On the main level are the master bedroom ensuite with bathroom and closet, two other bedrooms with closets, a bathroom, kitchen, living room, dining area, and a back porch and veranda. The second level consists of a bedroom, bathroom, sitting area, laundry room, storeroom, and double car garage. There is also ample basement space, which can be enclosed for income generating opportunities or used for additional storage. The outdoor boasts a therapeutic garden and well-fruited backyard. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.